Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's meeting, we will discuss about two topics. First one is build a mobile app with the help of ChatGPT and another one is desktop app. So let's discuss this one by one. So here our first topic is build a mobile. So here are some steps which we will follow. So for creating a mobile app, first we have to go to ChatGPT. Here I am using a pro version. You can also choose your basic version. Okay. Maybe the look and feel little difference, but I think all the features will work properly. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see, here is my prompt. What I have to do is just copy paste this prompt and now please send. Here you have to wait for some times, maybe 3 to 5 minutes or maybe more than that. You can see it has generated basically three files, which is individual files. First one is index.html, second one is style.css, and third one is script.javascript, which is already mentioned in the code. Here is the zip file of this mobile application, which we can extract. Okay, but you can see here is an optional step before proceeding ahead. You can check that this particular code is working or not. Okay, uh, so here is a online tool which is nowadays CodePen, or we can say an online terminal which you can use to check your code. Simply open it in your any browser. Okay, here you can sign in with your any email account and sign in. Here is its interface. Here are the main three sections. First one for the HTML, then CSS, and then JavaScript. And here is your preview section where all your code, how its look and feel will be seen here. Now let's go to our code. This is the source code. So we will now ask it for the source code. Sometimes it may create a problem. Okay, so it's done. Now let's copy each code one by one and paste in our online terminal. So here I will copy my this HTML and now you can see it's working properly. So let's check it. What I can do is I'll make addition of 5 plus 5. It's here and press equal to, you can see it's 10. Now let's multiply it by 9. Okay, so whatever is my source code is working properly. Now we will download its zip file. So actually I have already, created this, but here is my new file. You can see it's the time is 1:16. I'll just extract files. Yeah. Okay, then simply click it. Okay, now you can see there are three files. First one is HTML, second one is script, and second one is for the CSS and JavaScript. So if you want to know how it's working in your web, simply click on this .html file to check its look and feel. You can see how it will look. Now let's go to the next step. We have already checked its preview already. Now our next step is to make my this application online. So here I'm using a free website which is tiny.host. You can use any website which you are aware. Okay. So just so the website is here. Now you can see in this section link name. Here you have to write the application name which you want. So I'm writing simple calculator. Then you can see it will convert it into the online website. Next, what you have to do, you have to upload the zip file of your code. We have already our zip file here, so just paste it. Okay, simple. I will go to my browser and upload my zip file. Here it is. Next, simply just like you have to sign in here. I am signing in with my Gmail account. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. Okay. Now I think there are some questions which they ask. So I am writing it. You can choose anything. Here I am choosing other and complete. So here you can see our preview. Okay. Okay, so now you can see it's working. You just leave that link. Now go to the next step. Now our website is already online. Now what you have to do is I have to convert my web app into a mobile app. So I will use this link, which is web into app. Then you have to click on this get start button. So here it is. Now you have to fill some details here. It's basic detail. First one is the online URL. We have to paste. So online URL of my calculator is here. I paste it. Next thing, what name you want to give it to? I want to name it basic calculator. Okay. Then simple. Click on next. Okay. Now, if you want to use any specific icon, here by default, it's star is selected. If you want to do a specific icon, if you want to select, then simple go on the flight icon website. Okay. So I have already its link. Okay, now I'll simply search calculator. And here I got lots of icon. Anyone of my choice I'm choosing. Let's choose this fifth one. Simply click on the download. I'm using its PNG. Okay. So my icon is here. Okay. Now let's use it in our website. You can click on this set icon and choose icon as per your need. Done. Now click on make app. Here you have to fill some details of your registration. Done. Now click on make app. So it is successfully created. Now you can see there is a button which is download for free. Simply click on it and download its zip file. Okay. So our zip file is here. We have to extract it. Okay. Now I will extract it. Okay. So here is the. Now you have to open it. You can see there are some files. Under this Android section, you can see there are 4 files. We have to use only one file, which is apprelease.apk. Okay. Now our next step is this is my application which I have to download it in my phone. So you can use any Google Drive application for its link and download from your Google Drive. Okay. Now let's go to my Google Drive. Here is it. make sure to use the APK file. Now click on open. Yes, it's uploading. It's done. Okay, so I have given my application APK file here. So anyone who wants to check this, so they can download it in their mobile phone. I'm also sharing my screen through my phone. So just give me a 2 seconds. So I am sharing my screen via my mobile phone. Okay, so just give me seconds. Yeah, share. I hope it's visible now. Yeah, it's visible. So simple. Just here is the link. You know, I just click on it and open it in my drive. Yeah, you have to choose any account here. Yes, it's saying package installer. Just click on it. Now click on install. Maybe this will ask some questions that we are comfortable to download it because is not on Play Group. That's why. Now you can see my calculator app is here. So let's check it's working or not. Okay, yes, it's working properly. And you can see actually we have host it via tiny hots. That's why we are showing tiny hots in the bottom of the screen. So I hope you didn't have any confusion or any type of doubt till here. Is there any doubt? Hello.
No, ma'am.
So I'm just closing it. Okay, now let's go to the my screen. Okay. How to create a application for your desktop. Okay. So it's here. So here it is prompt. Maybe sometimes what happens, the prompt doesn't work properly. So make sure you can modify it a little bit. So here is my prompt. I'll go to my screen. I'll use this new chat. Paste my prompt. Yes. Now here also you have to wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can see here it doesn't give me an exe file directly. So sometimes you have to generate your web app, your desktop app in 2 steps. So just give one more command. So now you can see my file is here. Let's download it and check it's correct or not. It's done. It will ask to run it. We have to click on it. You have to wait for some time. You can see it's here. Maybe it's possible that sometimes it takes more time to run this application. So now you can see we have to try run this at 9. Okay. Now you can see my basic calculator is working properly. So here all the two tasks like web app and mobile app and desktop app we have successfully created. So you can also try it on with your own. I hope. And is there any doubt which you want to ask? Okay, so in last, I'm also showing you all these steps again. So here first we will go towards the mobile application. Here in the first step, we will use the ChatGPT. Now we will go towards the step number 2. Now in step number 3. Okay, so now let's move towards the second one, which is the desktop application. So for the desktop application,